So in next this video, so after a power button press, so all that signal that SLP3, SLP4 come, then sys on, then SUSP, and then VR on signal will be generated. After that, all the buck converter will be turned on one after another. So what we are going to check is we are going to check all the different voltages on each coil, and each coil will show us a different supply. So we'll turn on, press the power button, and each coil will show a different voltages. Yeah, this is a 3.3 volt. Next is this is a 5 volt. Next is this is a 1 volt to the PCH. PCH is inside in the CPU, and then this is a 1.2 voltage for the DDR4 RAM. Okay, so we check 3.35, 1.2, 1.05. Now we'll check CPU core voltage. So this is a opposite side. So this is a CPU core voltage. CPU core voltage is approximately 1 volt. So CPU core voltage will show something around 0.9 to 1.5 voltage in between somewhere. Okay, so we check all the CPU core voltage, and then so these are the CPU core voltage, then 0.85 voltage, and then we'll check a graphic core voltage. So here is my graphic chips. So it's showing a graphics voltage. So graphics core voltage will also somewhere around same like the CPU core voltage. So the next important signal is system power on signal. So system power on signal is a signal generated by the SIO when there is all power planes are okay. Like if the 3.3, then 5, then 1.2, then 0.6, then 2.5, then 1.8, 1.05, CPU core, graphics core. If all this power are okay, then the final signal is generated by the SIO, and that signal is called system power OK signal. So this is a very important signal. So system power OK signal is going to the CPU and generated by the SIO. So we'll check system power OK signal. So system power OK signal here is a pin number 30 and is going to the page number 11. So we'll check on pin number 30 on the SIO. Okay, so we connect our multimeter to pin number 30. Our laptop is off now. Now we are going to turn on. Now it's showing a 0 volt on the multimeter. Now we press the power button, and system power OK signal is showing a 3 volt. This is a 3 volt system power OK signal. The system power OK signal is coming. That means the all powers are okay. Every chip got the properly power. Okay, so now our board is on. Now the next important signal is called PLT reset, platform reset. This platform reset signal generated by the CPU. Okay, after you can see here on the system power OK signal. So this is my system power OK signal, and after this signal here is a CPU will generate signal name is called PLT RST. Okay, platform reset. This PLT reset signal we can check anywhere, because this signal is going to so many chips, like it's going to the audio, going to the network, it's going to the Wi-Fi card, it's going to the SIO. So you can check anywhere, but now we are going to check on the SIO. So first we'll see where is this PLT reset signal, or like on which pin it is. So we'll check this PLT reset, and here, and here this PLT reset signal. This is a PLT reset signal. This signal generated by the CPU, and we are going to check this signal on pin number 22. Pin number 22, PLT reset, platform reset. The PLT reset. So we'll turn on once again. The laptop is off state, and we connect our multimeter to the PLT reset pin number 22, and now multimeter is showing us a 3 volt PLT reset, platform reset. That means CPU generate this reset signal, and then after clock will start, and then after CPU start accessing the BIOS. So here we will stop our second video about how the laptop power on. Okay, so thank you very much.